Good morning, teacher and classmates. I am going to talk about the commentary and delivery on boat, and walking tour. Tips for bus guide tasks can be: find the best places to see all passengers without straining the drives wheel. Sitting at the front allows the tour guide to communicate with driver easily. Seeing them and speaking face to face creates a more reliable connection. For the behind of the touring form, then which will be the left and right. Avoid points while saying there to avoid confusion. Learn the route very well to be able to teach all tourist attractions to tourists. Plan a circular route to make them all known. Prepare fun or dynamic stories to avoid boring travel. The guide should be an excellent narrator who is able to make good descriptions. You can count more personal information to gain confidence. Avoid talking about politics, religion, race, and gender. Don't talk all the time about a time for tourists to talk to each other. Avoid using notes because you may demonstrate an unprofessional attitude. Comments on food. Walking at a moderate pace. The tour guide should always be in front and make sure everyone is close to the tour guide. Adapt the tone of voice to speak with tourists according to where they are. Speak only when you are not walking, and do it from a high place so that everyone can hear and see. He can climb steps or platforms when speaking. Model your voice tone. When asked a question, repeat the question so that everyone hears it and answer loud and clear. Carry a small notes to remember information, but you should never read them in front of tourists. The story and the facts that tell the journey must be real. Have a warm conversation when describing images. Thank you.